Traveling is one of my favorite pastimes, and I always like to talk about my next vacation all year long. But finding the right hotel can sometimes be overwhelming. It's really hard to know which one is in the best location and if it's actually nice. That's why I always turn to Booking.com to be able to check all the necessary details and reviews. So every trip I've ever taken, including my recent trip to Thailand with my husband, has been booked through Booking.com. It really does make the entire process so much easier. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why I think Booking.com is the best hotel booking site out there. I'll cover what they offer, how it works, some of their best features, and I'll also share my personal experience using them for my hotel stays. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea whether or not Booking.com is the right service to help you book your stays. And so if at any point you decide to book your next trip with Booking.com, you can use the affiliate link I left for you guys in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so Booking.com is a well-known online travel agency that makes finding and booking accommodations really easy. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly stay or a luxury hotel, they've got you covered. They were founded in 1996 and offer a variety of places to stay, along with vacation packages, flights, car rentals, and more. Now, Booking.com is very straightforward, and so the way it works is, first you start by entering your destination and travel dates. Then the site shows you a list of accommodations that match your search. You can then filter these results by price, review scores, type of accommodation, and more to find exactly what you're looking for. And once you find a place that you like, you can read detailed descriptions, check out photos, and go through reviews from other travelers. Then when you're ready to book, just follow the prompts to confirm your reservation. And Booking.com consolidates all your bookings in one place, making it super easy to manage your trips, make changes, or cancel if needed. And one of the best things is that most places let you pay once you arrive, giving you more flexibility. And if you need to make changes or cancel for whatever reason, you shouldn't have any issues as long as you follow the booking terms. So whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long vacation, Booking.com makes the entire process a lot easier and helps you find the perfect place to stay. That being said, in terms of their plans and pricing, Booking.com itself doesn't cost you anything extra. The platform is free to use for travelers, and there is no subscription fees or hidden charges for booking accommodations. And when you book a hotel or anything else through Booking.com, the price you see is the price you pay. The property owners pay a commission to Booking for each booking made, which means you get access to a wide range of options without any extra fees. On top of that, it also offers a lot of features to make your booking experience easier. Plus, you can find deals and discounts on a lot of the properties, especially if you become a Genius member, which is a Booking.com's loyalty program and gives you access to special discounts and extras like free breakfast or room upgrades. And joining the Genius program is free and happens automatically once you've made a certain number of bookings. And again, if at any point you decide to book your next trip with them, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Now, Booking.com offers a big selection of accommodations from budget-friendly stays to luxury hotels, making it easy to find the perfect place for any trip. Their platform is user-friendly and the app is especially convenient. And one of the best features is the flexible cancellation policies for free, which is great if your plans change for whatever reason. And for travelers who travel a lot, you can benefit from the Genius program, which offers extra discounts, free breakfast, and room upgrades. This loyalty program is a great way to save money if you use Booking.com regularly. Plus, their reliable customer support has been great for effectively handling issues like booking complications, making sure you have an easy travel experience. Now, there are times when all the different options can be a little overwhelming, not knowing what to choose, and can make it hard to pick the best place to stay. That being said, filters and reading reviews can help you cut down the options. Also, Booking.com usually gives you accurate descriptions, but there are times when the listings and the actual rooms don't match up perfectly. These problems happen very rarely and are usually pretty small. That being said, I'll share with you guys my personal experience using Booking.com. So like I said before, a couple of months ago, my husband and I took an amazing 3-week trip to Thailand, which if you've never been, I definitely recommend you go. And so traveling from one beautiful island to another, we stayed in 5 different hotels in total and booked it all through Booking.com. And I can honestly say that the experience was great. Everything was super easy, from finding the hotels to making the reservations. When we started planning and figuring out where we wanted to stay, I was a bit overwhelmed by all the different options available on Booking.com. But once I set the filters, it was a lot easier. And what was really cool is that my family had visited Thailand the year before, and they gave us some great tips on which areas to stay in. And Booking.com's location feature was incredibly helpful for this. I could simply enter the area we wanted to stay in, and it would show me all the nearby hotels, along with their walking and driving distances. And one of the best parts of using Booking.com was the flexibility and peace of mind it offered. We could see detailed descriptions, photos, and reviews for each hotel, making it easy to choose the perfect places to stay for our trip. Plus, I really like that for most hotels, you can pay once you arrive and cancel it at the last minute in case of last-minute changes. So wrapping up this review, if you're asking if I would recommend Booking.com, absolutely. They make it incredibly easy to find and book accommodations with their user-friendly platform, extensive range of options, and flexible cancellation policies. So if you're planning your next trip and want an easy way to find the perfect place to stay, I highly recommend giving Booking.com a try. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if at any point you decide to book your next trip with them, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.